Hello, fellow crocheters. Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful crochet daisy flower. You can use any yarn for this. Just use the appropriate hook size given on the yarn label. As it's a daisy, we will need white and yellow yarn for this. Let's begin with making a magic ring first. Then we will start by putting in 12 single crochet in the magic ring to create the base of the flower. L will return after finishing this. Let's count if we have our 12 single crochet first. Then find the first single crochet we made in the magic ring and slip stitch on top of that. Then tighten the magic ring to pull the stitches together to complete the base of the flower. Now that the base is done, secure the yarn on top of the first single crochet and cut the excess yarn. Once we are done with that, fasten the two yarn tails together and trim them according to your preference. Don't make it too short, as we have to weave it in later to secure the piece we are making. Now we will add the white yarn in the first stitch and chain 3. In the next stitch, we will make 3 triple crochets simultaneously. But we are going to keep the last loops in the hook for all 3 triple crochet, and the chain 3's last chain. Next, we are going to yarn over and pull through all the 4 chains left in our hook together, and slip stitch. Now we will make a picot in this slip stitch by chaining 2 and slip, stitching on top of our last slip stitch. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch. This is our first petal. We'll repeat the same 5 more times and come back. Let's finish our last petal and slip stitch in the first single crochet to complete our daisy flower. Cut the yarn and pull through. Now fasten it together with the joining yarn tail to secure it. We will weave in the excess yarn. I'm using my crochet hook, but you can use a tapestry needle too. After cutting the excess yarn, our beautiful daisy flower is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, friends.